No, how can you say girl? No, we're going to adult, fam. I swear we're adult. No, wait, relax.
Hi, how you doing?
No, that's a boy. That's a boy. He has a deeper voice than me, fam.
What's up, guys? What are you man saying? Today I got another video for you guys. As you can see by the title right there, today I'm going to be pretending to sound like a boy. And yeah, I'm going to sound like a boy, and then I'm going to reveal my face afterward, and then I'm going to see the reaction, see what it says, stuff like that. So anybody new to this channel, I'm Kez, call me Kez for short, and yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and let's get with the video.
I ain't got a just boss chick, hood bitch, they be loving us. And them haters stay mad, I'ma give them dust. I don't give a fuck, yeah, you know what's up. You know, real niggas glance with me in the dance. Your baby daddy want my number, he ain't got a chance.
2, 1. Right, so I'm gonna go on YUBO. I can see barely people are active, and this is like my account, I think. Yeah, this is my account, not my original account, so I changed it a bit because on the other account where I made a fake account, it's too confusing. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, I got people on this one, so like I can, really, join a live on this one, and then we have to go and swipe. So as you can see, look at these people by themselves. Like, no, we're not doing that. We need someone who's in a group. You get me? So 5 screamers, yeah. Alright, calm. Right, let's start with the first one then. Let's start with this one. 5 people. Are you done? Are you done? I can't even kiss my teeth properly, like stupid girl. Anyway, let's do this one. 4 people watching. Oh my gosh, stop watching the live. 8, someone's watching. Oh, so let's raise your hand. Raise the hand.
To be honest, I did cooking lessons, so I don't even if someone
right, they're gonna invite me, so
we could go get it, but I'd love to cook for her.
Oh, that's really good, actually.
Yo.
I swear, if this is working, Miles, I need to change up my strategy and just
Hello.
You've got to be a nicer person. That's well, Miles. Me calling girls fat slags is nice enough.
So disrespectful. I'm saying hello, you're just airing me. Are you dumb? Are you deaf? Can you not hear me? This is why I said less people, like a bit less people. You get me? Not even a lot, just less. Come on, it's not hard.
Yeah, I was with Ryan.
2 people watching this one. You wish.
You're hard.
People are in school as well.
I'm scared of you.
That's funny. Where from in Money?
You guys got school. I don't know why you're on YUBO.
Scrubby dubby dubby.
Okay. So that.
This is Kirion.
What drugs? Scrubby dubby dubby.
Abracadabra, you know.
Kieran.
Yo,
Wagwan. Who's that?
we sing
I did not think it was going to be like that.
16.
Oh, man said 16. Have a nice day, brother.
So there's a problem with me being 16. Yama. This is so fine, but let me just make that account to like small, like not people that are starting. No, we don't need no old people. Like I can't even move it. Why are you letting me put 14 to 16? Are you stupid? Oh, so disrespectful, man. You swipe now because there's some random people, like that's so annoying. Like, yeah, let me just swipe and look for people because better.
might fuck around and go back to a boy.
Oh.
Watch me. Release them.
They don't pay attention as well. They will just air you. Oh. Let's see this one now. Right, come on.
Okay, and I'm not one of them.
They just say you're
Talking to someone.
No, I wouldn't. Are you rude? Are you dumb? Are you actually trying to get on my nerves today? Like,
Oh, good.
can't do it this way.
Even if you weren't to go to this, what you going?
Shut up. Just shut up.
This is you, but you're not supposed to know everyone, innit? So, like, come on.
Entertainment.
Dickhead for no reason.
What? I didn't even do.
Fine. See, I'm already getting frustrated. Like, I need. It's not hard.
Putting all that.
People are barely active. What time is it? It's 1. Come on, let me join in this one. Come on.
Okay, stop saying that.
Come on.
What's wrong there? No, people at home.
You don't even know the youth in your
Yeah, that's why
you
you're
don't think-
shy.
Yo, it could have been year 8. What's good, you know?
I carry on.
Look, that's not the point. That's not the point, okay? It was a good way to get to know people. So some people wanted to do it, okay? But I came ahead of the rest.
No, the point is,
There were 30 people in my
the
hall.
point is,
Yeah, well, 30
you were sixth form president, you know.
I can't lie, I didn't like this form. My
Not
thing
knowing
is having
you were
fights.
just a measly form leader in year 7.
Don't say that. No.
If you're 17, don't lie about your age. And this is YUBO, my guy. YUBO. I don't think. Actually, yeah, but don't lie about your age. It's weird. I can't even change it to 14 to 60. No, 15. I can't do that because it's not gonna let me. That's how stupid that is. Like, oh shit. Let me see if one of these people are active. These people, they're not active as well. Oh, come on. Come on. How are you not active? Oh. I guess I have to just say. Nah, I'm just gonna say 16.
What the fuck? People join.
Deep depths of your ass, but I don't even know what you say no more, bro.
Nah, you do that shit, bro, not me.
Like, if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna do it on one person. Like, people that are on live by themselves, I'm just gonna do that because it's more easier and it's more, you know. I don't care if you're not in a group because in a group will be better, but like, it is what it is.
All this thinking.
What your head hurts.
I'm saying you don't say it back, man. Add me.
Oh, this work.
Aliens, fam. Aliens are gonna fucking kill us.
Sorry, we're just doing it when there's so like. Come on, add me. Add me. Okay. Okay. Come on.
Wait, no, you have to put makeup on.
Come on. So actually did a live. I'm gonna try him to invite me actually. Right, he's gonna invite me. Yo. What you saying?
Okay, where you from?
London.
What place?
East.
Okay, what's the center there?
Yeah. Where you from?
That's ourselves, no.
Oh, cool.
No, the best part of London, man. No.
Is it?
Yeah, man.
Oh, no. If you hear people saying that, it's worse. Okay. Should I say something? I'm a girl. How you doing? I'm a girl. What? I'm actually a girl. Look. I don't know. That's me. I just have a voice of a girl. I have a voice of a boy. I don't know. Okay. Yep. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah. I got you there. Oh, he left. Ah! He left. I'm dead. I am dead. He left like that. But when he found out I was a boy, man, I mean a girl, he left. I got him. I know I got him. Man said South is good. It's calm. It's calm. Are you down?
He's dead. He's a dead too.
It's dead. It's dead. Sorry, to me, my opinion is dead. To yours, I don't know. But the guy left there.
I don't know.
My guy left when he found out I was a girl. He left just like that, man. My guy just left just like that. Oh, that's so funny. Right.
I'm here after I get a friend.
Nah, forget it. That one was actually good. I'm not gonna lie. I actually got him. I never. What? It's going good. We're finna get it. Right, calm.
Oh, so you have my injection.
Let's find. Yeah, actually find someone by themselves. My guy left. My guy left. Is this him?
Thingy. I was crying. I kept running.
It better be him because that's awkward.
Dad
Sorry.
grabbed me. I didn't feel a thing. You know, why did she not do hers? I don't know.
So I'm gonna raise my hands.
How do mine get 10?
I'm gonna raise my hands.
No.
Oh, she gonna invite me. Let's right, calm. Yo.
They're behind you.
We say.
A drink of water. Give me more energy.
How you doing? I'm 16.
For what?
How old are you?
20.
Oh.
Say you're lying. Are you lying?
Oh. Yeah.
No, say if you're lying. No.
Alright, can I show you something?
Yeah, sure.
I'm a girl.
Is it?
Hi.
Absolutely a fail.
She thought I was a boy.
Not really.
Okay.
I was going to say, wait, where's the person's voice is speaking out?
Oh.
Chill.
Lol.
She's 20. Say
Right.
she's lying.
I was just doing I'm a YouTuber, so I just pretending to sound like a boy. You get me?
What is she?
Yeah.
What was that?
I'm gonna leave. Nice talking to you though.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
That's Esther. Chill, that's absolutely.
Another thing. Come on, you got it. But that girl was actually calm. She
No.
said that my voice was a bit steady. I'm just gonna make it. Do you get me? Huh?
She's lying because she can't be 20.
Yeah, she can't be 20 on Uber.
How many do it?
Huh?
How many do it?
I don't know. I did 3 so fast. I got 3, my nigga. 3. Come on. We're gonna do this quick. We're gonna do this quick. Not wasting time. Man says she's 20 though. She can't be 20 on Uber.
That's a lie.
You're the one who's just telling her age and your name and then you're saying, can I show you something? It's not even for that long.
Yeah.
What's coming?
Oh, what?
Yeah, so I'm just gonna do like more. Let me just do more. Like a few more. Let's find someone by herself.
She's in the toilet.
Let's do this quick. Come on. I'll do part 2 in my own time. I don't think I will do it, but yeah. But she's 20.
Okay, tell me the truth. If it's her or not, or you're not playing.
It is her thing.
Okay, you're not joining.
It is.
2 people by themselves. Let's tell them to invite me. We're gonna invite someone. Let's tell them to invite me. It'll be 4. If they invite me, it's gonna be 4. Come on, do this for me. Do this for me, nigga. I don't care if I give them.
I don't know.
Okay, bye, suck it, mom. I'm ready, you know, feeling the good, you know, getting comfortable. This is what you do, yeah? Money, oh. See? Every time when I jump on Uber, there's always has to be more than one person, and if you're light skinned, bro.
Irritating and won't even tell you when your order is.
You're gonna add me. Yes, told you. You're gonna add me.
Oops.
Yo.
Hello.
What you saying?
Nothing much. What about you?
I'm just chilling. Where you guys from?
I'm from Leeds.
Oh, cool. Just say something.
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from London, East. Should I show you guys something? I'm a girl.
You're all for me. You're heavy.
No.
I like you more than
Do
you.
you guys think I was a boy?
It's true.
Stop saying that. You can't say that.
I like you.
But she's not joining my server.
Oh,
Oh, he
I
would
guess
take
that's
that
a fail
over.
then.
Come.
What if you
I'm gonna leave you guys.
I'll cry. Come on.
They're so awkward. Why are they making it awkward? At least I made it awesome.
Look up.
But they made it so awkward. Like, why are you making it so awkward? Come on.
Microphone.
Come on. Why you gonna do that to me?
Okay, let's sit there.
Why you gonna do that?
No, just can't get on.
Why you gonna do that? So guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed that video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe. If you haven't, make sure you share with family and friends. You know, we finna get this to 50 likes, like 100 likes, whatever. But yeah, make sure if you enjoyed this video, like I said, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we're gonna get out of here. We smash this to 100 likes. Okay, and we out.